Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside. To me, it is the new line of tools from Parkside, Cordless Hot Glue Gun, the model PMHSA 4A1. And as you can see, it is in color black, dark purple, and we've got this metal silver ring around. And it comes with this lovely case. Everything fit at the right position, the glue stick, the charger, and the hot glue gun. You can remove that if you want to have extra storage. It locks, you've got a handle, and you can take it anywhere with you. Nice. And of course, at the box, we've got 4 glue sticks, 1 black, 1 purple, 1 transparent, and 1 silver glitter. And of course it comes with a charger. The charger, it is 5 volt, 2.4 amp, 12 watt power consumption, type A to type C. I like the type C. And the cable, it is about 1.5 meters. Great length. Charge your hot glue gun at any time. It is great for bonding and sealing as well as craft projects, ideal for working with paper, textiles, plastic, wood, glass and much more materials. Ergonomic, elegant pen shape with no cables to get in the way because it has a 4 volt lithium battery 2 ampere hours. You can charge it and you can work with this hot glue gun 20 minutes continuously. Charging time, it takes from 0 to 100% 60 minutes. Ready to use quickly thanks to the short heat up time. It needs only 45 seconds and is reaching on a temperature 180 Celsius. LEDs show the heating status, there's the LED, and 3-stage battery charge status. There we've got, let's connect it and check it. There is the Type-C port and the glue stick chamber. You can insert the glue stick here. Nice. And we can see red is in low, orange is the middle, and when it goes to green, that means it's fully charged. At the front we've got a nozzle. This rubber protects you. Nice, you can remove it if you want and clean it. Here we've got the button, and when you push it, it starts extract the hot glue. We've got the on-off switch, and you can use only 7mm diameter glue sticks. Of course, you can buy from other brands, not only from Parkside. We can see the icon here, it's getting hot. Well, I can say definitely it has a good shape. Let's remove that. It is like a pen. It fits perfect to my hand. Pressing the button. Nice. Well, let's turn it on and find out how it works. Press and hold the button. We can see we've got the status on red, the status for the battery. Well, let's insert one of the glue sticks and just wait. Heating time, it is 45 seconds. Oh, I can feel it, yep. Is getting hot at the nozzle. And we've got the green light. So fast. Well, let's try first with this thick cardboard. Okay. Pressing this button, the motor is fitting the glue stick at the internal and it will extract the hot glue. Nice, I like it. Oh, I think we need more to insert. This is the first time, that's why it's getting longer to extract the hot glue. Well, let's fit more. Oh, there it is. I'm going to push with my fingers. Okay. It comes quicker, the hot glue. Okay, let's try. And we can see at the nozzle, it doesn't stop. It's still, now it stops. Okay, let's leave it that to dry. And then I'm going to try this thicker cardboard. Sometimes you need to push and help to fit better. Okay. Now let's try this wood. Maybe I need to push with my fingers only. It is getting longer to extract the hot glue, but that it may happen because it doesn't have the proper time to heat up the glue stick. Maybe we need to wait and then just press again. Helps a lot when I'm pressing at the back. Okay. Now this is a test for the materials. Now next I will try to glue at this plastic case. If somehow it will decide to extract the glue. And at the front it is hot, yeah. Okay, let's try with the black now. It is a little bit frustrating because you need to press on the back. Now it's getting better. Okay, that is only a test if it can glue that kind of material. Now let's try on a plastic. Two plastics together. Now it's going better. Okay, now I like it. We've gotten the other color. Let's stop here. Two plastics together. And in the end, we're gonna find out how much strong it is, this hot glue stick with a hot glue gun. Now let's try in these two tiles. Now I like it, yep. It comes more smooth. I don't have to press at the back. Okay, now it comes in the end, the other color. Okay, maybe we need to wait until it will go hotter, the glue stick. Okay, just pressing the tile. Perfect. Let's leave it and that to dry. And of course, you can use it and on a fabric. You can do some designs on a fabric, or you can glue together a fabric. Okay, now it comes smoothly. I like it. Sometimes we need to press at the back. Nice. And as I said, you can glue this fabric too hot. And you can do some designs on the fabric. And now there we've got a design. And of course you can choose other colors from Parkside. You can see we've got these glitters on a red, gold, blue, green, gray and more. Or we've got this without glitter. Orange, blue, black, green, yellow, whatever you want. Everything is here. Pick up, what is it, your favorite color. And do whatever design you want. If that is in a paper, on any material. You can even do your Christmas decoration, your Halloween decoration, all your family with your children, and just play with that. You can buy 2, 3 of these units and play at your free time. Okay, let's install this glitter. Now it comes the black, you remember, I have inserted the black. Wow. Nice, I like it. And of course you can just press that and turn it off. Just press once and it will turn off. Well, what do you say? Now, let's see the materials. The wood. Oh yeah, it is so strong, the hot glue at the wood. Tile. Oh, yep, the same. Bounded very well. Cardboard. Yep, it's just ripping off the cardboard. Same. And for that, definitely it is too strong. Let's see for the plastic. Maybe it will break the plastic. Oh, yep, it is strong. I like it. And at this case, yep, it's doing an amazing job. It's definitely has glued very well. And let's see at the fabric. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh, it is too strong. Definitely you can do some designs on the fabric. Maybe your t-shirt. Well, guys, that was all about. I think you need to let your imagination free and do things with this cordless hot glue gun. I think it's working good. You need to give a push sometimes at the back, the glue stick, and it will start working better. And it costs only 20 euros. It's nothing, 20 euros rechargeable lithium battery. 20 minutes continuous of work, 60 minutes of fully charged. Definitely you will enjoy with your children, make some decoration, fixing stuff at your home and more. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.